Welcome to
Fully Cooked, because we cook like a bunch of fools too.
Fully
Cooked! Okay guys, so this is a very short review and unboxing of FiberTech Technology queen-sized airlock air mattress by Intex, apparently. In case you didn't know, it is very cat friendly. No, it doesn't have catnip, but it is cat friendly. Pop.
Regular. Ordinary.
It's too heavy. Alright, back to normal mode. Alright, so what came with this is the manual in about 5 languages and a carrying case, which is made of very, very cheap, I don't even know what you call this material, but it's very cheap and you have to watch out because it will get perforated quickly. That's what it looks like with not a kitty on it yet. 3, 2, oh, didn't wait for my mark.
Smell it.
This is what it looks like. It's queen size, which is about 1 meter 52 centimeters over 2 meters.
It's an air mattress. She's gonna scratch
Right.
it up.
Alright, what we have here is a deflating and inflating thing. A valve you can flip. We have an on and off switch and of course a power outlet. It's a 22 volt Israeli. There it is. The neat thing about this mattress is that you can inflate and deflate with power. So all you have to do is just plug it in, turn the knob clockwise all the way so it's shut, and you start. Oh wait, we'll do 5 seconds counts here. That's about to be done.
Yeah, it's done. It's done.
That's the noise it makes when it's done. That's pretty much what it looks like with the cat in the frame. So the thing about this is that you can actually manually deflate it now and put the power back in its place.
It's up to your knees.
Yeah, it's just as tall as you like it. If it was on the rail bed, frame. Now, it's safe to say that this will be too firm for most people. You don't want to jump on it, but just make sure that you don't get on it too quickly, even though it does hold over 400 pounds. I think this is too firm, so what I'm going to do... Great thing about that is you can also manually deflate it, and that's it. Now, the only other tip I have for you is don't get on the edges, because you will fall.
Are you okay?
She doesn't trust this contraption. Clearly. Alright, that concludes it. Ah.
Hey guys. So, this is the bed. We slept on this. We gave Hadar's mom the other bed that we used at her house, and we went and got another one because she's going to have a whole bunch of guests at her house and she needed a bed. So we brand new opened this box tonight and we're going to be sleeping on this bed.
I thought I had an
It's
idea.
pretty comfortable.
I should have filmed Andrea. My quick idea here was that I am done moving the bed. This is the only downside to this bed. stop it. I was done moving the other bed. We put like a dust cover on it, and it has the other cover on it, so it's inaccessible to you cannot access the handles, and it's about, I don't know, I'd say about 100 pounds at least of bed that you have to scoot around here, and there's no space for it.
Very heavy.
So, and I had to do this day to day. Now I don't mind lifting it up. I mean, that's easy. I actually like to do that because I get it done real quick. But pulling it, you have to pull it, you know, with the ends of your fingers. Andrea will die. Honestly, she wouldn't be able to do it. She would just give up the first day. She would try because she has weak hands. I'm blessed with strong hands, so I'm like, okay, I'll do it. But I dislike it. And every morning and every night, and I've been home for the past month, which is great, but I'm done. So I said, hey, we just, you know, you can inflate and deflate it in 2 minutes flat. So why not just get this bed here? And yeah, sure, it's not really the most comfortable bed because if Andrea's on one side and I'm on the other, you know, air kind of moves, and like Andrea can jiggle us, yeah, like that. Do it. Yeah.
When I roll over at night.
Hi, what's up? Hi. Yeah.
Look at the kitty. She's like being super secret. She's like, I wasn't here. I'm not here. No. Don't want to see that. Kitty!
Oh. So I think this is going to be much nicer for us to do our business.
Kitty!
Good night.
Kitty!
P.S. Let us know if you guys like the higher quality lighting. We're getting the lighting fixed, kind of. Doing whatever we can. And of course the cat is right underneath the camera, so you can't actually see what she's doing. It's really funny. Of course.
She's sleuthing. She's like, I don't trust that. I will not touch it.
Alright, good night.
Good night.
Yeah, that's the edge part. See what happens? I guess you have some fans for that.
Here, watch the kitty.
Here.
No jumping on the bed.
That is what the doctor said. Focused? No foot. See the foot? No foot.
That's gonna fall off. Here, let me hold it. That's gonna fall off.
Alright. You like that effect? Your cat will love this. Alright, kitty. Move. Move so mommy doesn't have to edit all this out. Okay. Alright. Just go ahead and, oh, what? I didn't do anything.
No screen time for Jew.
Such a pretty kitty. Such a pretty. Whoop. Not in there. It's just a perfect shot.
She's hellcatting it.
Yeah, she's holding, and I can only get the fun part.
Quit hellcatting the box. Kitty. 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 Get off the box. Thank you. Stay off the box. Not your box. Nothing like this.
Anyhow, here we are. Okay.
Stay off of the box!
Let's get this done, kitty. Come
He
on.
loves boxes. Thank you so much for watching. Check out our other videos and our other channels where we daily vlog every single day on Fully Living. Leave us a comment to let us know you were here. Have a great day.